You have some existing data in an Excel or maybe in a Google Spreadsheet file that you are looking to import in Aquarium in order to create a new project. Hi everyone, that's Jan, and today I'm going to show you how you can import a CSV file in Aquarium. So first of all, let's look at our CSV example. So we have several columns, one for the shot name, another one indicating the number of frame for the shot, an information one, and the other ones are for dedicated for tasks, where I have each tasks in each column, in one column, and you have statuses in the cells. So let's see how we can create a project and import our CSV. When I'm in Aquarium, I can create on the New Project button. Here I can select a different type of presets. I'm going to use the VFX since the example I have in my CSV is for a commercial one. I can name my project, my new commercial, for example. I can click next. And here I'm going to use the import CSV option. So that's where I can import the CSV after the project is created, when it's ready to be used. So let's dive in with the shots. So you click on the shots manager, and here you have an option where you can import directly your CSV. So you just need to click on this option. You can, from your spreadsheet, ask for downloading a CSV. Just need to drop your CSV directly in the interface. It's detecting automatically the number of columns and the number of lines. Now we need to assign each column. So here at the top, you can see the columns you have in your CSV, and we need to assign them to the different elements that we have on Aquarium. So mine is very simple. I can select everything, drop it on the shots. If you have some columns dedicated for your episodes or your sequence, this is where you can drop them. If you don't have any information, that's fine. You click on the shot tab, you can see the columns. And now I can say, okay, for example, on this one, for the shot name, it's dedicated for the name of the shot, obviously. The other ones, frame and information, those ones are shot property. So I'm going to use this column and this data as a property of the shot. And all the other ones are for my task statuses. So you can select here and choose a property, click on the task status, and automatically those columns will be assigned to the status of the tasks. I can click next. It's detecting automatically the statuses I have in the CSV, and it's asking me if I want to customize anything. So let's add some color for those ones. It's important also to add the completion for the status. So that's where when your task is going to be done, automatically the completion will be at 100%. Let's do the same for the work in progress, maybe 15% for this one. TBD in red, maybe it's 99%. I'll let you choose the percentage you want. And for to do, let's grab, for example, a blue one. It's not started. If you want, you can reorder the statuses. Let's move to do at the top, and work in progress there. Those options can be updated after the upload of the CSV directly in your project settings. So let's click next. You have a quick summary of what's going to be created. We can click finish. Automatically, Aquarium is creating for you templates. So that's why if you need to add new shots later, they are going to use the same templates. And you can see at the bottom, just under, all your shots. Once it's completed, you can click finish, and automatically your shots have been created with all the statuses that you define in your project. Since we added a completion, you can see here that the completion column is directly up to date. And if you want to add other columns, you can right click directly on those shots, go to your new column property, and here you can select the frame one and the information one. That's it for today. Let us know if you have any question. Feel free to reach our support or join our Discord community. Have a nice day and see you soon.